We appreciate that COVID-19, physical distancing, and self-isolation are stressful and hard to bear. We feel it too. This is not who we are as Heiltsuk people. We're people who show up for each other.
But right now, we have a crucial window to prevent COVID-19 from coming into our community, and response measures like physical distancing and self-isolation are critical.
And you know what? Those emergency measures are still a way of us showing up for each other. Because when we block COVID-19 from our community, we're protecting our elders, our knowledge keepers, our children, our family members with compromised immune systems, the people around us, and we're protecting ourselves.
Our Heiltsuk Emergency Operations Center team is hard at work to make sure plans are in place to protect our community. Follow their directions is not only smart, it's required.
What does this mean? In a nutshell, it means if you're a Heiltsuk member or a resident of the Heiltsuk territory returning from another location, you must self-isolate for 14 days. This includes staying at home and making arrangements for a loved one to do your shopping for you.
If you're a local who hasn't left home, or you've completed your 14 days of self-isolation, you're still required to practice physical distancing. This means no in-person visits with anybody who lives outside your household, running only essential errands, and maintaining that 6 feet or 2 meters of distancing while outside your home.
Always practice basic hygiene measures like frequent hand washing, not touching your face, coughing into your elbow, and staying at home if you feel sick. If you're concerned about your symptoms, consult the COVID-19 hotline at 1-888-COVID-19 or the BC COVID-19 Symptom Self-Assessment Tool at bc.thrive.health.
Local businesses and services like the hospital and bad store have implemented measures to enforce physical distancing, and we ask that community members respect and follow those protocols for everyone's safety.
We have never faced a challenge like the COVID-19 virus in our lifetime. And we know that unprecedented challenges call for unprecedented solutions. We know this is hard, but we're asking you to step up and be health heroes.
If you have any questions or concerns you need to raise, please contact the Heiltsuk Emergency Operations Center at 778-213-8049. This number can receive calls from 1 to 4 daily, and you can text anytime. You can tune into Heiltsuk Radio for regular updates by turning your dial to 91.1 FM.
These are heavy times, but we all know that challenges bring out the best in our community. Support one another, show kindness, and uplift one another as much as possible. And know that the best action that we can take on COVID-19 to protect our community and our loved ones is to follow precautionary measures to keep our community COVID-free for as long as possible.
We also want to let you know that we're working hard with our community agencies to protect our well-being and to keep each other safe. And we also know that we have it all within us to be community champions over our own Heiltsuk health, and that by pulling together, we will get through this together as a community. We want to thank you for your time and your attention and for your trust in us. Walaskayaksika.